Hey y'all, it's Diane with Y'all Craft One and my old barn door, and I just want to do a quick video and show you what's in the Christmas kits. So they'll be released today at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today is November 17th. So they'll be in the shop and ready for you to go grab yours, just in time for you to get them to make your December daily or your Christmas journal or whatever you want to use them for. So super fun little kits. They'll come in this cute little bag. So this is how you'll get it in the mail. So let's just dive in and look and see what all we have in here. I'm also releasing some more of those lace packs that I had in my shop a couple of weeks ago. So I'll have some more of those in there as well. So let's just get into all the goodies that are in our Christmas kits. So I'm going to have quite a few of these. I'll have between 25 and 28, so somewhere in that range. So you get these two little sacks that are absolutely stuffed with all kinds of goodies. So I can't wait to show you these, but I'm going to set these aside and we're going to get through the paper stuff first. So none of the kits are exactly the same. You may have a different piece of paper or, but for the most part, they're all very, very similar. So just to let you know, they're not all completely identical. You may have a piece or two that's different, but they all have the same amount of items in them. So you get this cute little, I would use this as a flip page in a journal. I think they might be Christmas cards, but they don't feel like a Christmas card. They feel a little bit different from that texture. So you'll get one of these. You'll get one of these 8x8 sheets. It may be a different design, but you'll get one of these. Hopefully, let me just check and make sure you can see what I'm showing you. You're going to get some stationery. So you'll get at least 2 pieces of stationery. They may not be the exact same one. One may be different. But you'll get 2 pieces of stationery. These are some of my favorite pieces in the kit. I absolutely am in love with these. Let me just scoot these over. These are Christmas wrapping paper that I found, and they give it that farmhouse feel. So you'll get one of each of these in your kit. So there's this one. There's this one with the red trucks. We all love the red trucks. There's this one with the quilt stars. I love, love, love this. And this one doesn't have to be used for Christmas. It can be used for any time of the year. There's this one, which it can also be used any time of the year. I love this one. I think this one's so adorable. And then there's this one. This is a vintage Precious Moments wrapping paper that I've had for a couple of years, and I've been meaning each year to put it in my Christmas kits, and I just kept forgetting. But I just think they're so stinking cute. So I added a sheet of that in, and then you get this one, which is the craft color with the barns and the trucks on them. So I think all together there are 6 pieces of the wrapping paper. And then you're going to get a pack of 12 by 12 paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you'll have 6 pieces of the 12 by 12 Christmas paper. And again, all of these will be different. They're not all going to be the same. I just didn't have enough to do them all the same. So 6 pieces of some type of Christmas 12 by 12 sheets of paper, and this one is a Stemperia. So you get this side, and then you have the little cutouts on this side if you want those. So not all of them will have that in it either. So like I say, there are some variations, but for the most part, you have the same amount in your kits and the same, similar items. Okay, so that is the paper part of the kit. Now, let's dive into the goodie bags. Okay, so you get this newspaper print bag stuffed full of goodies. I'm just going to slide that over. So I'm just going to slide these out. So you're going to get several pieces of laces. One is a cream color and one is white. It's kind of hard to tell the difference in this lighting, and then you'll get, I think there's 6 different pieces of laces in here. Just, random cuts of these pretty laces that I thought you could play with in your journals. And so you'll get those pieces. And then there is a pack of 10 fabrics. And let me scoot this to the side so that I can show you the fabrics. So you get a piece with the candy canes, a piece with the holly berries. Love, love this one. I love using this one as tag toppers and things like that. Then you're going to get a piece of this one. I'm going to make sure I'm holding it up where you can actually see it. Sorry. I broke down and shared my favorite fabric. I don't have very much of this left, but I decided, you know what? I'm going to show you all the love and share some with you. Get a piece of this, super cute with the little squirrels. Some of them have deer on them. So adorable. And then one with the holly leaves and the birds and the pears. One with snowmen. I tried to give a variety of different Christmas patterns. I love this one too as tag toppers or even a fabric flip. It's gorgeous with that gold and green. Love this one with the little gingerbread men and the peppermint sticks or the candy canes. And then you'll get this one with the gold, which is very pretty. And then you'll get this one. I love using this one for tag toppers. It makes a super cute fabric flip or a pocket or whatever you want to use them for. So I believe there's either 10 or 11 pieces of fabric in the kits. And then you have this little pack of goodies. So you're going to get several envelopes. There's at least 3 envelopes for you to decorate with, and then you'll get 2 napkins. So different kinds of napkins. Again, all of the napkins are not the same, but you'll get napkins and envelopes for you to decorate your envelopes and play with. And then I gave you some Christmas cards, and there's a reason I gave you some Christmas cards. Some of these Christmas cards may be written in. Some of them may be plain. Some of them may be personalized, like handwritten, you know, like a previous year's Christmas card. But the reason I give you these is, and I'll show you, I'm going to do a craft with me. There's, you know, you're going to get several of the Christmas cards, but it's so that you can use them to make tags with. You can use them to cut out, like I would totally cut this Santa out. I would fussy cut him out and use him as an embellishment on a tag or card or whatever. So, and again, these are not all the same. And some of them, you may only get like the front piece of the card, you know. The whole point of this is to give you a few of these to play with. And I just had an abundance of them. And so I thought I'm going to share, but to give them to you to play with and be able to make tags and journal cards, pockets. You can make pockets out of these. Christmas cards, not Christmas cards, die cuts, you know, the whole deal. So that is what is in that little sack. I just tried to put some really fun stuff in here to give you lots of different goodies to play with as I'm playing along too, because you're going to be seeing some videos being released showing me playing with these items. So we're just going to have fun with it. Alright, so there's our laces. Put all of those back in there. Let me just slide this in the pack real quick, and you know what? I'll slide that in later. And let's get to this pack, because this little pack is absolutely stuffed full of goodies. So let's just go ahead and pull it. Whoops! I forgot about that. So you're going to get some jingle bells. I'm going to give you some, I don't remember how many jingle bells you get, but you get a little pack of jingle bells in there. Love, love, love the jingle bells. I'm going to go ahead and put those back in. And then you're going to get one of these little bows in your kits. Just little, these are cute to add on like a journal cover or even at the top of a tag as a tag topper. So like if you take this and put this at the top of the tag, wouldn't that be super cute? So you get one of these. You're going to get several of these cupcake liners, and I've been using these as page tabs or tag toppers, and they're super cute the way they turn out. So you'll be seeing me use these in some craft with me videos as well. So you get, I don't know, you get at least 6 of these, maybe 9. I can't remember for sure. And then you're going to get all of these goodies. So fun. So I found some of these tags at maybe Hobby Lobby, but I can't remember for sure. But anyways, this is a sticker label with the red truck. Then you get the little mason jar one. Super cute. You're going to get a couple of playing cards, and these may be different, like I say. And then you're going to get some of these tags. These will all be different, but you'll get some different size little tags to play with or make tags with. And then you get the Debbie stuff. Well, before I show you the Debbie stuff, you're going to get one of my collaged tags with the, it's not completed. It's meant for you to get it and play with it and make it what you want it to be. So you'll get one of those. And then also, before I get to the Debbie stuff, you're going to get 3 sheets of these vintage Christmas stickers. These are very old. I think they're from the 60s or 70s. And I just thought they would be super cute to add in for you to use on your tags or pockets or journal cards or whatever you want to decorate. But very, very vintage. They do have the sticky back that you have to lick on them. I wouldn't suggest that, especially in COVID times. But they do have the sticky back, but it's very patinaed. I don't know if you can tell in this lighting, but so you will have to put glue on them because they're not actually stickers anymore. But these are the vintage style stickers. I just think they're so much fun. All right, and then the Debbie pack. You're going to get 2 of these little coin envelopes, okay? And I've stuffed goodies in each, not coin envelopes. These are not coin envelopes. They're just little pockets. So in one of them, you'll get some of those beautiful snowflakes that she so graciously punched out by hand. And then in the other one, you're going to get a couple of the fussy cuts that she sent to me. And then one of those sweet little barn or farmhouse top tags. So that'll be in that. Then you're going to get this little pocket, and in the little pocket you'll have a tag that's like a little notebook, so you have multiple sheets of paper on there to journal on. Cute little tag. A coin envelope, and it's either going to be made out of vintage book page or like children's book page Christmas or Christmas cardstock. And then you get these sweet, sweet little tags that she handmade and put the lines on and put the glitter on. I mean, so much time went into making these little packs. And I am so grateful to Debbie for doing that. So you'll get one of those. Then you'll get one of these corrugated cardboard tags that she cut out. So much work went into that too. Then one of the Braille paper tags to play with. And then you'll get one of the graphic 45 paper tags that she cut out. So lots and lots of goodies in these kits. So that is what is in the kits. I tried to literally stuff these as full as I could get them. Just so you had lots and lots of goodies to play with and have fun with. So I hope you enjoy them. I hope you get to get one. I know that my kits usually sell out really, really quickly, and I always get comments, oh, I missed it. So I'm sorry. I try to make as many as possible, and so hopefully I've made enough this time for everybody to get one. So run and grab them, because if you see this video, they are in the shop as we speak. So run and grab yours while you can. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and put any comments you have in the comment box below. And I hope you get a kit. Thank you so much. Have a great day, y'all. Big hugs.